Hi guys, I'm back with another video after so many days. In this video, I'm going to show you how I painted this wall mural on my baby boy's nursery. The first task was to empty and clean up this room. After we emptied and cleaned it up, we taped off the walls and my husband painted it base grey. And then I traced all the clouds and planets. I used different sized plates for that, and then I started painting the clouds white. The colors I used for this project are matte wall colors, and I mixed acrylic colors for different shades. I started this project when I was 20 weeks pregnant and I completed it by week 27 because I was only working on it in bits and pieces when I had energy. Here I'm painting the moon blue on which the astronaut will be standing, and then some more clouds. For clouds, I used different size of bowls. I found the inspiration picture online on Pinterest, and then I decided to paint it myself. I was very excited for this project. This is what it looks like with clouds. Here I'm scribbling pencil over the astronaut printout that I got. This is what it looks like. I have a detailed video on using this technique. I can link it down below. Here I'm just sticking the astronaut with some tape and tracing over the edge, and also on the detailed part that I scribbled with pencil. Although I could draw all this, but I decided to go by tracing this because it was just easier for me at that point of time. This was the favorite part of the process where I started painting the details of the astronaut. Although it did take the whole stretch of the time for the astronaut to complete, but it was just exciting of how everything was coming together. Since I was using acrylic colors which are not meant for walls, I had to wait for a long time between each coat. I think that's why it took me so much time to complete this project. Although my inspirational picture did not have Earth in it, but I added it and I painted Asian continent showing India just to keep him connected with his identical heritage. I also painted another level of blue clouds over the white clouds and the moon. For the stars, I drew stencil and cut them and traced them in different locations. To connect the mural with the rest of the room, we painted a broad border of the base grey throughout the room. Taping over the borders really helped us in painting process. I highly recommend this process. After we did this, we also did his closet. I will share that video also. After everything was coming together, it was very surreal for me. The room and the mural turned out to be so beautiful. I hope my baby enjoys the mural while he grows up. Please comment below if you have any questions and give me a thumbs up if you liked my video. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe.